Hello and welcome you all. Students, today in this video, we'll do question number 8 of exercise 7.1. So, our question for today is, in a right triangle ABC, right angled at C. M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. C is joined to M and produced to a point D such that DM is equal to CM. Point D is joined to point B. Show that in first part, we have to show that triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. In second part, we have to prove that angle DBC is a right angle. In third part, we have to prove that triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. And in fourth part, we have to prove that CM is equals to half of AB. So, in first part, we have to prove that triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. So, student, we will take both these two triangles in triangle AMC and triangle BMD. And now, as you can see from the figure that AM is equals to BM, and the reason is that M is midpoint of AB, which is given in our question. So they are equal. Also, angle AMC is equals to angle BMD. They are equal by vertically opposite angles. And CM is equals to DM, which is also given in our questions. So student, from here we can say that triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD by side angle side congruency rule. And now we will prove our second part, in which angle DBC is a right angle. So student, since we have already proved that triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD, so if they are congruent, then from here we can say that angle ACM is equals to angle BDM by CPCT. So as you can see that these two are alternate angles which are formed by transversal CD. So student, from here we can say that AC is parallel to DB. So from here, by co-interior angles, we can write angle DBC plus angle ACB is equals to 180 degree. And as we know, according to our question, that angle ACB is 90 degree, which is also given in our question. So student, from here, we can find the value of angle DBC, which is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree, and this is equals to 90 degree. So this is what we have to prove. And now in third part, we have to show that triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. So by considering these two triangles, we observe that angle DBC is equals to angle ACB, which is equals to 90 degree each. And also BC is equals to BC, which is common in both these two triangles. And now, since we have proved that triangle AMC is congruent to triangle DBM, so again by CPCT we can say that DB is equals to AC. So from here triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB by side angle side congruency rule. And now we'll prove fourth part, which is CM is equals to half of AB. So student, since we have proved that triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB, so from here if they are congruent, then DC is equals to AB by CPCT. And in our question, we know that DM is equals to CM. So student, from here, since DC is equals to AB, so we can write DC is equals to DM plus CM, and this is equals to AB because M is midpoint of DC. So now student, in place of DM, I can write CM as both DM and CM are equal, which is given. So student, from here in LHS, we have CM plus CM, which is equals to 2CM, and this is equal to AB. So from here, CM is equals to half of AB, and hence we have proved. And now student, we'll do some properties of triangle. So this is basically the introduction video of exercise 7.2. Students, you all know what is isosceles triangle, in which two sides are equal. So our first theorem is that we have to prove angle opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. First, we will take the given condition in which we will draw an isosceles triangle in which two sides AB is equals to AC. So from here, we have to prove that angle opposite to equal sides, which are angle B, which is opposite of side AC, and angle C, which is opposite of side AB. So we have to prove that angle B is equal to angle C. And now we'll do construction in which we will draw a line and make the bisector of angle A. So if angle A is the bisector, then we can say that angle BAD is equals to angle CAD. And now student, we will consider two triangles which are triangle BAD and triangle CAD. And now we will prove that they are congruent. So first, we will take AB is equals to AC, which is given in our question since our triangle is isosceles. And also angle BAD is equals to angle CAD. They are also equal by construction. And AD is equals to AD. This is the common side in both these two triangles. So from here, triangle BAD is congruent to triangle CAD by side angle side congruency rule. So student, if they are congruent, then we can say that angle ABD is equals to angle ACD by CPCT. So angle B is equals to angle C. And now practice these three questions mentioned on your screen and submit me the solution. So this is the end of this video, students. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.